Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to export ultra-high quality 4K 60 FPS videos in CapCut. Using the wrong compression parameters results in heavy artifacting, muddy pixel blocks, and severe color degradation on social media. First, with your project finished, move your cursor to the top right corner. Click explicitly on the blue Export button to launch the Rendering Control dashboard. Look at the panel layout and ensure video exporting is checked. Click the Resolution drop-down menu and change it from 1080p to 4K. Move your eyes to the bitrate section, click the drop-down menu and change it to Custom. Click the bubble next to VBR to dynamically shift data streams and keep high-motion scenes looking completely crisp. Click inside the numerical input block and type 50,000 to force a high-fidelity data rule matching professional cameras. Next, click the codec drop-down menu and select HEVC or H.265 to compress your asset streams without losing micro details. Click the Format drop-down menu and select MP4 for the most stable container playback. Finally, click the Frame Rate drop-down menu and change the value rule to 60 frames per second to guarantee ultra-smooth motion tracking. Check your target folder directory path at the top and click the blue Export button to begin rendering your master file. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.